Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. We're here in beautiful downtown Fort Sumner at the grave of Billy the Kid, our infamous William Bonney, right here from New Mexico. We're going to take a little walk around. I'm going to get, I got Gertrude out there doing my camera duties. I'm going to get her to go out and give us a little bit broader view. Come here, Gertrude. Good job. A little bit broader view of the place. This is the Chamber of Commerce down here at the Fort Sumner Cemetery where Billy the Kid is buried. Come on back in here, Gertrude. Good girl. Land right here. Look at the grave. Excuse me, folks. This is where most of his fans don't think he's buried, but I think he is, because our historians don't make mistakes. And this is the tomb of Billy the Kid, which they say it's been moved a couple of times, but who really knows, eh? I'm talking to my drone in case you're wondering.
Okay, what's that noise?
That's my drone behind me. And here we are at the actual grave site. Billy the Kid's tombstone was stolen in 1951, which is the year I was born. Its location was a mystery for 26 years until 1976 when it was recovered. We'll just go for a walk around it. Make a wide sweep here. And this is the entire cemetery here. Come around here and get a little bit better look at the front. Charlie Baudry, unlucky friend of Billy the Kid, born in 1848, died in 1880. Supposedly fought alongside Billy the Kid worked as a cowboy. He's also a suspect in Oakland. Heads up. We're going to take one quick look in here. And this is where we're at. Okie dokie.
What? Man, I need to take a picture of the whole thing.
And this is it. Come here, Gertrude. Shot. Here we are at the tomb of Billy the Kid in beautiful downtown Fort Sumner, New Mexico. Got Gertrude out there doing my camera duty. She's doing pretty good. A little bit of wind today. Come on back here, Gertrude.